In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find fonts and format text in Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out with Canva, mastering text formatting is essential for creating eye-catching designs. We'll walk through everything step by step, from setting up your workspace to experimenting with fonts, effects, and backgrounds. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the tools you need to make your text stand out in any Canva project. To get started, head over to Canva and log in. If you don't already have a Canva account, you'll need to create one first to access the platform. It's quick and free, and if you need to, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Once you're logged in, look around the home page for the Create button. You'll typically find it at the center of the page or in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. Now, from the options that appear, select Custom Size. This feature allows you to set your own design dimensions, which is perfect for the task we're about to do. When prompted for dimensions, type in 100 by 50 pixels. These small dimensions are ideal for practicing text and font customization because the compact size keeps the focus on the text without any unnecessary distractions. Once you've entered the dimensions, click Create New Design. This will open a blank workspace for you to begin. Now that your workspace is ready, look to the left-hand menu here. You'll see a text option. Go ahead and click on that. Canva gives you the choice to add a heading, subheading, or body text. Choose whichever fits your design idea, and click to add the text box to your workspace. Once the text box appears, type in any word or phrase you like. This could be your name, a favorite quote, or just a random word, anything to give you some content to work with while experimenting. Next, select the text box you just created. At the top left corner of the toolbar, you'll see the font drop-down menu. Click it and you'll open a list of all the fonts Canva has to offer. Take your time scrolling through the options and click on different fonts to see how your text changes instantly. As you explore, think about the mood or message you want your design to convey. For example, a bold font might work well for announcements, while a script font could add a personal or elegant touch. Now that you've picked a font, let's add some flair to your text. Look at the toolbar near the top of your screen again, and this time find the Effects button. Click it, and you'll see options such as shadows, curves, and glowing edges. Try applying one effect at a time to see how it transforms your text. Most effects come with sliders that let you adjust the intensity, so feel free to tweak those settings until you're happy with the result. And don't worry, if you're not satisfied, you can always undo your changes and try something else. Once your text looks good, let's move on to the background. Head back to the left-hand menu and select Background here. You can choose from solid colors, gradients, or even patterns. Try selecting a background that complements your text. For example, a pastel background creates a soft and calming look, while neon colors bring energy and vibrancy. Remember to choose a background that provides enough contrast for your text to stand out clearly. Finally, let's fine-tune the details. Click on your text box again and explore additional settings like letter spacing, which adjusts the space between characters, or color, which changes the text color. You can also play with transparency to make your text slightly see-through, or even add animation to bring your text to life. Take your time experimenting with these tools to discover the full range of customization Canva offers. And there you have it. We've covered everything from setting up your workspace to formatting text, applying effects, and choosing the perfect background. By following these steps, you now know how to find fonts and format text in Canva like a pro. If you have any questions or want to share your designs, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.